नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am JVN Dr. Minakshi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Shalakyatantra in the Faculty of Ayurvedic Sciences at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. So, in today's session, we will discuss about this ophthalmic instrument. So, this is an ophthalmic instrument. What is the name of this instrument? It is the Calesian clamp. Okay. First, we should discuss about the identification feature of this instrument. It consists of the two limbs. These are the two limbs. One limb. This is the second limb. One limb, second limb. These are the two limbs which are like forceps. We use forceps like this holding. So these are the two limbs of this instrument which are like forceps and which can be clamped. These both forceps can be clamped with the help of this screw. Okay, like this we can clamp it like this. Okay, so with the help of this screw, these two limbs can be clamped, so it is called the Calesian clamp. Then these two limbs have the two tips. These are the two tips of the limbs. These two tips are very much different in their structure. You can see, yeah. So tip of one limb, it is flattened. It is flattened in the form of a round disc. As you can see, this is like a round disc. While the tip of other, this is the other tip. The tip of other, it has a small circular ring. It is a circular ring, as you can see. So the tips of both limbs are different in structure. Why so? They must be having a use during any surgery. So these two tips, they are applied on the different structures of the eye. Usually this flat disc, it is applied on the skin side. It is applied on the skin side, and this ring is applied on the conjunctival side of the Calesian. There is an eyelid disorder which is known as a Calesian. It is used to fix the Calesian in the surgery of Calesian. So it is called the Calesian clamp. So we should understand what is Calesian. Okay, Calesian, it is also known as a tarsal cyst or the meibomian cyst. Okay, there are two synonyms of the Calesian, the tarsal cyst or the meibomian cyst. Okay, so to understand the meibomian cyst, we should understand what is meibomian gland. Okay, meibomian glands are the modified sebaceous glands. These are the modified sebaceous glands which are located in the tarsal plates of the eyelids. And what is the function of these sebaceous glands? These secrete the outer lipid layer of the precorneal tear film. So in the upper tarsus there are about 30 to 40 meibomian glands, whereas there are fewer in the lower tarsus. In lower tarsus there are about 20 to 30 meibomian glands, and they are in the form of a row, parallel rows. So if the involvement of meibomian gland occurs in the disease known as the Calesian. As you know, the Calesian is known as the meibomian cyst. Okay. So what is a Calesian? It is a chronic inflammatory lesion which is caused by the blockage of sebaceous gland orifices. These parallel sebaceous meibomian glands, their orifices, their opening occurs on the lid margin. Okay, when these orifices are blocked, then these meibomian gland secretion, it is stagnated inside the gland. Okay, there will be stagnation of the sebaceous secretions, and Due to the stagnation of this secretion, there will be a cyst formation, and this cyst, which is known as a meibomian cyst, is known as the Chalasian. Okay, I hope you have understood the disease Chalasian. Okay, so it is known as the Chalasian clamp because in this Chalasian disease we have to clamp the Chalasian by this instrument. It is used to fix the Chalasian and achieve hemostasis during incision and curettage. So, the surgical treatment of Chalasian is the incision and curettage, and in this procedure, this instrument is used to fix the Chalasian as well as provide hemostasis so that when the incision is applied there will be no bleeding. Okay, so this is the use of the Chalasian clamp. Okay, and I can side by side tell you what is the incision and curette procedure for Chalasian. Actually, the conjunctiva and lid are anesthetized in case of the incision and curette. Then the lid is averted and the Chalasian clamp is fixed. The Chalasian clamp is fixed, and then a small vertical incision. It is given with the sharp blade over the conjunctival side. Okay, so this will be applied on the conjunctival side, ring side, and so it will be easier to, you will hold the upper lid like this and you will avert the conjunctival side in this, then you will apply the vertical incision. Okay, then the semi-fluid contents escape, the secretion which was stagnated due to the blockage of orifices of the meibomian gland, that semi-fluid will escape out, and the wall of the cavity, they are thoroughly scraped with the Chalasian scoop. Then there's a different instrument for that Chalasian scoop, and the cavity is cauterized. Then we'll cauterize the cavity with carbolic acid to avoid recurrence. Okay, then bleeding stops, and finally no dressing is necessary. So it was a procedure for incision and curette. So an important point was there, when the lid was everted, then we use this Chalasian clamp to fix the Chalasian so that we can apply an incision, clear incision, and the blood will not be, there will not be more bleeding. It will control the hemostasis, it will cause the hemostasis, and there will be no blood during this procedure. So it is an important instrument in case of the surgical treatment of the Chalasian. Okay, so as I have told you, it has the two limbs. These are the two limbs like forceps, and this is clamped with the help of this screw, and the tip of one limb, this tip is used for applied on the skin side of the Chalasian, whereas this ring side is applied on the conjunctival side of the Chalasian. I have told you what was Chalasian. It is the chronic inflammatory lesion, and which is caused by the blockage of the sebaceous gland orifice and the stagnation of sebaceous secretion. So the use of this instrument is to fix the Chalasian as well as achieve hemostasis during the incision and curettage operation of the Chalasian. Okay, our session completes here. Thank you so much. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my session, and in case you have any query regarding session, please mention in the comment box of the YouTube channel of the Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I will resolve your queries very soon. Thank you so much, and thank you so much, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, for giving me opportunity to discuss this instrument with you. Thank you so much.